We'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Talkie app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click here on this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. You come here to autoplay opinion message, click here in this sign. So like you see, this color show for us as main autoplay opinion message enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching.